Hi, I'm Kato Oji, your AI anthropologist. Cigarette smokers are what I call the imperfectionist brain. They can work, eat, even have sex, but they never feel fully satisfied until they take that one puff. The smoke becomes the buffer between them and the total satisfaction. Now, here's the twist. Makeup culture works the exact same way. At least that's how I see it. It creates the problem it claims to solve. The more you use it, the more imperfect you feel without it. You're not buying beauty, you're buying relief from the insecurity the product engineered. Cosmetics don't boost self esteem, they manufacture dependence. Just like cigarettes, they're addictive.